Well, dengue has the state in its grip with cases rising in various parts, and panic is driving dengue hospitalization in Kolkata despite doctors advising patients to seek treatment at home. The West Bengal government is yet to formally announce the total number of cases and deaths, but across the city of Kolkata, patients are seeking admission in hospitals. Both North and South Kolkata have witnessed a sharp rise in dengue cases, but despite awareness campaigns, there is rampant littering and stagnation of water, which is indeed leading to more breeding grounds for mosquitoes. The mosquito menace has also made its way into politics, with the BJP asking the centre to send teams to tackle dengue in the state of West Bengal. They say that the state government is busy hiding and burying data on deaths without being transparent about the information. Times Network's correspondent Tamal caught up with Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim on why the situation is escalating in the city. Let's listen in.
Dengue menace is becoming quite serious. What are the plans adopted? Because now we get to see politics getting into it.
I don't bother what anyone is saying. I am sincere in my work, and whole of the Calcutta Corporation has taken whatever possible steps to prevent dengue. Our health worker is going door to door, visiting all the areas, spraying the areas where there will be a probability of these larvas. And the main thing what we are doing is a huge campaign against dengue so that the people get serious about the fight against the dengue. But unfortunately, many people do not take it seriously. It is the fact that the dengue is in height now. But we are really helpless because if the people are not serious, I cannot go to in the top of your building to see whether there is any water logged in your tub or not. What is there in the backyard of your building? You have to see that. So we are making a campaign that please spend 1 hour in 1 week on top of your building and see around that there is no water log.
Well, we have Tamal joining us live on this broadcast. So Tamal, yet again, politicians bicker and citizens suffer. So BJP in Bengal is asking for help from centre, and TMC says all measures are being taken. So where are we at in this situation in West Bengal?
Well, first thing first, the situation is a bit concerning in the state of West Bengal, essentially in the state capital, Kolkata. There had been a steep rise in number of cases of dengue. However, the government believes that this is just not Kolkata or Kolkata being an exceptional place. There has been a sharp rise in the number of cases in the Asian subcontinent, especially in places like India, Bangladesh, even in Singapore. As far as Kolkata is concerned, the mayor that I've spoken to, Firhad Hakim, he believes that all necessary measures are being taken, but at the same time want people to participate in the entire process of containing and curbing dengue. They are saying that as long as people do not become aware and they do not take necessary steps of as basic as not accumulating water in buckets and tubs and keeping them stagnant for days, until and unless that happens, hygiene is being maintained by the people. Till then, dengue menace would continue. As far as fumigation is concerned and other corporate is concerned, the state government is of the opinion they are doing their best. However, having said that, like in the case of COVID, we once again get to see there is politics now taking center stage. BJP being the opposition party, blaming Trinamool Congress and the state government. Also, you have seen leader of opposition Shubhendu Adhikari writing to the Union Health Ministry, asking for help from the Union Health Ministry. More doctors can be sent. To which, Trinamool Congress first said that the health is a state subject and there should not be any interference or a perception like this should not be created by the leader of opposition that the situation in the state is so dire that the center has to intervene, with help. But when I asked this question to the mayor today, the mayor strategically said that the central government is more than welcome to help any state if they wish, because after all, it's public health at stake. But at the same time, he tried underlining the fact that it's just not West Bengal. Situation is equally concerning in states like Uttar Pradesh and Telangana, and that the central government cannot have a special yardstick to handle West Bengal or a special approach to the state of West Bengal. Rather, it should be an uniform outreach to all the states, because a dengue patient in Kolkata is as vulnerable as a dengue patient in Lucknow or in Hyderabad. That's what Trinamool Congress Mayor Firhad Hakim says. But then, if you keep aside the politics, yes, on the ground there is a growing concern. There are many people who have, who have succumbed to the virus. But then the state government believes that the situation doesn't warrant it to be called a medical emergency.
Well, Tamal, thank you for sharing all those details. Well, yes, the mosquito menace is across states. But while we are currently looking at West Bengal, hospitalization numbers are scary. We are joined by Adrija, my colleague, who is currently reporting from a dengue-infected area. Adrija, if you can join us. Yes, so we have several cases being reported from North 24 Parganas and Madhyamgram, but apart from that also several areas are complaining about rising dengue cases, and the panic has been created where people are struggling for hospitalizations.
Well, absolutely. So the people are struggling for hospitalization. However, the doctors of several private hospitals in Kolkata have reported that there is a huge panic that is going on within the people of Kolkata. So right now I'm standing in area in northern Kolkata. This area has also been affected, and the cases are rising both in north and south Calcutta, and even in the suburban areas, and even in several other districts of West Bengal. So yes, this is a very concerning situation. However, what the Vector Control Board, which belongs to the Union Minister, have stated against the West Bengal government, and have said that the government is not formally releasing any data as of how many patients have been admitted till now, how many patients have been hospitalized, or how many patients have been affected by dengue till now. And the West Bengal government is also not releasing a proper demarcation of areas, stating the highest number of cases affected. However, a rough calculation states that southern part of Kolkata is more like Jadavpur area is more affected, and also several northern parts and suburban parts of Kolkata has also reported very high number of dengue cases in the last couple of months. So yes, the formal numbers from the government has not been released. This is what the Vector Control Disease Center from Delhi is stating. However, various councillors of several different wards is carrying on a drive of awareness to ensure that people in the area are aware of the situation, to ensure that there are no stagnant water in the nearby vicinity. So yes, steps are being taken by the government, but this is not enough as of now, as we can see that the number is continuously increasing and huge number of hospitalizations happening in various, panic is also spreading. The government is not sharing data and proper information in order to avoid panic. However, that is not helping, because we're seeing panic is spreading within the people who are living in West Bengal, and especially in Kolkata. And yes, the number of cases are also increasing. So much more needs to be done by the government. But yes, awareness drives are on its way, and hopefully the situation will be under control really soon.
Well, yes, thank you so much for that, Adrija Tamal, for bringing us all that information. Bengal struggling with dengue cases. Hospitalization, as we have said, is on the rise, but no official figures yet in about the total number of cases as well as the number of hospitalizations that have happened in the state regarding dengue. However, we did speak to Kolkata Mayor Firhad Hakim, who did mention that awareness drives are underway.